What's up, man? So this is how you're going to chart support and resistance and also get trend lines going. Um, so I'm on my charts right now. These are all really good to have up. So I have the VXX. This is volatility in the market, basically an index for that. TLT is the bonds. TNX is the treasury yield for 10 years. And DXY is a dollar, US dollar. All really good indicators on what's going on in the market. I'm slowly just like going through all of these, putting in support and resistance lines. But the Fibonacci can tell you that also, like with the support and resistance lines. So I'll drive one up for you. So what you're looking for is the high top. So right here is the high. And you basically would want to go over, if you're on Thinkorswim, you want to go into drawing tools, and then you'll find the Fibonacci retracements. And then you want to go at the very tippy top of that. Just barely, I'm clipping onto it. And then you're gonna go all the way down to where this one hits. So 342, and you can see that these can act as a support and resistance. Basically what support and resistance is that it's where, so it's here, it's easier to show you on lower time frame or higher time frame, So there's the fib I just drew. You can see that this is also a good area to draw fibs at. Honestly, might as well. I actually want to do that. So from the high all the way to the low, actually. So right here. So basically it's determining from here, if it goes up like percentage wise. So 30% goes up, 50%, all the way to 100%. So from here to here, 100%. So we're looking for that retracement all the way back. You can also see that the 38% is acting as like a resistance line, which is actually right where my resistance line is, where I drew out. It's basically where the candles fail to go any higher. So you can see it happens 1, 2, 3. This is technically 1 right here. 4, 5. So there's 5. I go by 3. 3 is a really good indicator, but you can see that it's happened more than 5 times. So it's a really good indicator. That's a strong level for it to break through. And then I have a support right here. Support is basically where price action fails to go lower. So you can see it happens right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breaks through it, but fails to go lower. Breaks through, fails to go lower. Breaks through, fails. Breaks through, fails. So that's support. These are really good for basically determining like where the market is going. So if you see it like slipping down into this resistance level, we're getting rejected hard, breaks through it, rejected on the support, goes back up, rejected on the resistance, goes through it, but rejected, goes back down, hits the support, rejected, goes through the support, rejected, bounces back up, little consolidation period, rejections of the support, boom, goes straight up, straight through that resistance, nice little uptrend, then going back down. So right here too would actually be a really good, let's see, it would be support, because you see that there's one candle that has a hard time going through it, another candle right here, this candle right here, this candle right here, this one too, but it's more going up, but still is trying to break through that level and can't. So that's another really good area to do that at. But yeah, basically that's how you draw your fibs. You just want the 78%, 61%, 50%, 38%. Those are the most important levels. People go in the higher levels, but for day trading, it's honestly just worth doing these levels right here. It's super customizable too. You just go in, edit properties, do what you want, do the colors, style, width. You can do whatever you want with it, bro. But yeah, that's how you do it. I'll show you on the lower time frame how to do it too. So here's the 5 minute. So 5 minutes. So if you're, let's say if you're trying to basically retrace it, see if it's going to go up or down, you would go at the beginning of the day. Oh, sorry, you go from here all the way to here. And I know it's flipped, but it basically shows like, okay, we're 30% down now to almost to this level, or we're 61% down. Oh, okay, we just broke that. We're all the way back down to where our fib is. Yeah, you can see this is also acting as a support and resistance too. These candles are failing to go any higher right here. You can see like right here around this 38% fib, it's having a hard time breaking through it. This would be a good time to get in right here. But honestly, if you're seeing this nice uptrend and then it was breaking this 50% fib, definitely would want to get in at like around here. That day was being hella weird though. You could get in at like right here, have a drop, do a put signal, take your profit right here, get in calls, ride it all the way up there, sell it, get in puts. It was like doing that all day. Not all day, but just in the beginning of the day. And then it finally had to move. We were bearish for the day though, so it couldn't get any higher. So we dropped down into our bearish move for the day. This is like 500% play right here. But yeah, you can see this can be acting as, this can be resistance or support. I would say more on the resistance side and this on the support side. But yeah, that's how you draw your fibs. You want to do those throughout the day. If you don't know about expected move too, you just go here to all products. It'll be right over on the side. You just calculate this. So if it's 410, the last X, you would plus or minus that with that, and that would be your expected move for calls or puts. So if once you find out your expected move, you just go over here, get this trend line, and then wherever this candle chills at, so wherever the box is, so like right here, I'll put my cursor on it, so right there, so you do it right at the top. Just be like, okay, so we're moving up to 349 today. That's our projected move, so I'm gonna go like that. We're gonna go down to 344 today, so I'm gonna draw that in, and this basically gives you like a good indication of like where the market is moving for the day. So if you see this, you break above this trend line, you can tell that it's gonna keep going up. But once it gets rejected at this level multiple times, then you can tell that, oh, okay, like we're having a hard time breaking through this, and then it turns bearish. Boom, retracement. Having a hard time breaking through this level again, and then boom, breaks through it, big move for the day, get down into the bearish trend line, just consolidation throughout the rest of the day until we get to this point, and then, yep, boom. So, yeah, man, pretty simple, pretty easy. I'll send you some videos, but peace out, yo.